The most significant change to the Highlander lineup from Toyota is the elimination of the 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 engine. Toyota will now substitute it with a new 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that generates 265 horsepower and 310 pounds-foot of torque. An automatic transmission with 8 speeds is connected to the engine. The new engine had a 17% increase in torque than the previous 3.5-liter V6 engine's 263 pounds-foot, which produced 295 horsepower, more than the outgoing V6. You'll undoubtedly appreciate that kind of gain, especially if you frequently transport 7 or 8 people as well as their bags. The combined fuel consumption estimate provided by the EPA is 25 miles per gallon, which is not a significant gain. The Highlander emits the most emissions, thus this is where the biggest decrease is made. Trailer sway control is a standard feature of the Highlander Turbo and is integrated into the stability control system, allowing it to tow up to 5,000 pounds. It matches the 5,000 pounds towing capacity of the previous V6, which was also available. Although 2 all-wheel drive systems are offered, front-wheel drive is the default. A rudimentary odd system that can transfer up to 50% of the available power to the rear wheels when it detects wheel slip at the front axle is available for the turbocharged L, LA and XLE models. Dynamic torque vectoring odd with drive mode select and driveline disconnect is a more performance-focused technology that is available on the XSE Limited and Platinum Turbo variants. This cutting-edge device actively controls torque distribution between the left and right rear wheels by using specific connections. Toyota's advanced odd systems driving modes include mud and sand, rock and dirt, and the driver can monitor the torque distribution on the multi-information display. With the same drivetrain as before, the Highlander Hybrid continues to operate. A 2.5-liter, normally aspirated 4-cylinder engine paired with 2 electric motors generates 243 horsepower. The back axle is powered by an extra electric motor in the odd type. The hybrid's basic driving modes are normal, eco, and sport, and Toyota states that it can tow 3,500 pounds. The limited and platinum classes now come standard with an 11-speaker JBL sound system and 2 12.3-inch screens, a digital instrument cluster and infotainment combo. The XLE and XSE trims, which come standard with an 8-inch touchscreen, will offer the 2 screens as an option. A new 7-inch digital instrument cluster is available for grades L and LA. When used on models, it is a standard feature. The wireless charger has been moved from the center console box to a more convenient location below the multimedia screen in the center console. Both the sportier XSE and the Highlander Hybrid Bronze Edition are maintained. The 20-inch unique all-black wheels and 235/55 R20 all-season tires that will be fitted to the XSE for 2023 are now standard. The XSE has a notably athletic feel, thanks to a specifically adjusted suspension with high-rate springs, a rear stabilizer bar, and low-friction shock absorbers. While the XLE and limited grades are provided with a standard captain's chair second row for 7-seat capability, the Highlander L and LA grades are sold with a standard second row bench, allowing seating for 8. For the XLE Gas, XLE Hybrid, and Limited Gas grades, buyers can select a second row bench. The base turbocharged model costs $36,420, while the Highlander Platinum with navigation costs $51,025 with odd. The hybrid range kicks off with the LA, selling for $40,220. The most expensive model in the range is the Highlander Hybrid Platinum Odd, with an MSRP of $52,425. For this and much more, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.